Calabar High School and Kingston College, KC, are to have a joint devotion tomorrow as part of efforts by Calabar administrators to repair damage done to the school by students who were captured in a video hurling vulgar and potentially incendiary chants at KC. The arrangement for the devotion was reached at a meeting today between Ministry of Education officials and the administrators of Calabar after the video, which was apparently made during devotion yesterday morning, went viral overnight. The video shows boys in khaki uniform wearing Calabar epaulettes chanting vulgar slurs about KC, which, on Saturday, ended Calabar's 7-year reign of the annual ISSA, GraceKennedy Boys Championship at the National Stadium in St Andrew. Calabar, which is located on Red Hills Road in St Andrew, and KC, which is sited in downtown Kingston, have been sporting rivals for years. Yesterday, as Calabar was subjected to heavy criticism, especially on social media, education officials, led by Minister without portfolio with responsibility for education Carl Samuda, and including Minister of State in the Ministerial and Otra Lounge, as well as Acting Permanent Secretary Dr. Grace McLean, met with Calabar administrators and said that in addition to the devotion, an apology has been issued to the students and staff of KC. In addition, the apology will be read at the devotion, a news release from the ministry said. It added that the board of the school has since launched an investigation into the matter and has committed to providing the report to the minister by Friday. Samuda, in addressing the issue, condemned the behavior in the video as disturbing and distasteful and not in keeping with the positive actions and values that our education system instills in students. He is said to have also urged students to demonstrate respect and good sportsmanship, notwithstanding any disappointments.